When testing for pregnancy, you simply can't afford to get a wrong result. But did you know that nearly 1 in 3 women can misread some types of pregnancy test? The many products available can make the choice confusing, and often from the packaging, you don't know what's inside the box. So how can you know which is the right product for you? Let's take a look inside the box at the 3 main types of test: strips, cassettes, and midstream tests. Strips are typically very small, can be fragile, and not easy to use. With no cap, they can be messy and unhygienic. And the result lines are small and often hard to read. Cassettes can feel like a confusing science experiment. The multiple steps and hard-to-read lines make them pretty puzzling to use. Midstream tests are a favorite option for many, as nearly 3/4 of women prefer to test in their urine stream. They are convenient, hygienic, and easy to use. That's why all Clearblue tests are midstream tests and have been especially designed to meet your needs. Clearblue Plus Pregnancy Test has been designed to be easiest to use thanks to the ergonomically shaped handle and 50% wider tip. And the Clear plus-minus results are very easy to read. For women wanting the peace of mind of results and words, there's Clearblue Digital Pregnancy Test with unmistakably clear results. Clearblue pregnancy tests are designed and extensively tested in our laboratories to give you the confidence that they are over 99% accurate from the day of the expected period, easy to use, easy to read, and can be used up to 5 days sooner than the missed period. Clearblue has helped millions of women around the world get the clarity that they deserve. At such an important time, don't leave it up to chance. Clearblue, the world's #1 selling brand in home pregnancy and fertility tests.